Are you tired of constantly feeling overwhelmed and stressed in your daily life? Do you ever find yourself wondering why everything seems so complicated? In today's video, we will be discussing the concept of Stoicism and how it can help us navigate the complexities of our daily lives. Lesson 1. Let go of external validation. We often depend on the approval of others. We tie our happiness to how others perceive us. Stoicism teaches that this dependence makes life harder than it needs to be. True freedom comes when we stop seeking validation from others. What truly matters is how we view ourselves. When we rely on others to feel worthy, we give them power over us. This can lead to constant anxiety. If someone praises us, we feel good. If they criticize us, we feel bad. Stoicism reminds us to focus on our own actions and values. Approval from others is fleeting and unreliable. A Stoic believes in doing the right thing regardless of others' opinions. If your actions align with your values, that is enough. The world is full of different perspectives. Pleasing everyone is impossible. It is wiser to seek peace within yourself. External validation does not define your worth. Your worth is rooted in your integrity and virtue. Letting go of this need is liberating. You feel lighter and more confident. You no longer fear rejection or judgment. Instead, you focus on what you can control. Your actions, thoughts, and choices are within your control. What others think or say is not. By understanding this, you free yourself from unnecessary burdens. Practicing this takes time. You might feel uncomfortable at first, but with patience, you will see the change. You will notice how much calmer you feel. Life becomes simpler when you stop chasing external approval. You find joy in your inner strength. This is the essence of letting go. Lesson 2. Cultivate inner resilience. Life is unpredictable. Challenges and hardships are a part of it. Stoicism teaches us to prepare our minds for these realities. Inner resilience helps us face life with courage. It gives us the strength to remain steady when storms arise. Resilience is not about avoiding pain. It is about enduring it with grace. A Stoic trains the mind to accept what happens. Resisting reality only brings suffering. When we accept what we cannot change, we grow stronger. One way to build resilience is by practicing negative visualization. This means imagining potential difficulties before they happen. It is not about being pessimistic. Instead, it helps us prepare mentally. When challenges come, we are not caught off guard. We handle them with calmness and wisdom. Another way is to focus on our response to events. External events are beyond our control. But how we respond is always within our power. A Stoic chooses to respond with patience and understanding. This response builds resilience over time. Resilience also comes from self-discipline. By facing small discomforts daily, we train our minds for larger challenges. This can be as simple as stepping out of your comfort zone. Each small step strengthens your inner core. Cultivating resilience does not mean ignoring emotions. It means understanding them and not letting them control you. Emotions are natural but fleeting. By observing them, you stay rooted in your values. Inner resilience makes life easier. It turns obstacles into opportunities for growth. It helps you move forward with strength and clarity. Lesson 3. Live in the present. Many people live in the past or worry about the future. This makes life harder. The past cannot be changed. The future is uncertain. Stoicism teaches us to live fully in the present. This moment is all we truly have. Living in the present means focusing on what is in front of you. Pay attention to the tasks you are doing. Notice the beauty around you. Engage fully with the people you meet. When your mind is present, life feels richer and more meaningful. The past holds lessons, but we should not dwell on it. Regret and guilt serve no purpose. Learn from your mistakes and move on. The future, too, is beyond our control. Worrying about it only steals your peace. By focusing on the present, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. Mindfulness is a key practice in Stoicism. It helps you stay grounded in the now. Simple acts like breathing deeply can bring you back to the moment. When challenges arise, take a pause. Observe the situation without judgment. Then respond thoughtfully. Living in the present also means letting go of distractions. Modern life is filled with noise and chaos. Social media, endless notifications, and multitasking pull us away from the present. A Stoic simplifies their life. They focus on what truly matters. They cherish the gift of each moment. The present is where life happens. It is where joy, love, and peace reside. By living fully in the present, you create a life that feels abundant. This lesson is powerful. It reminds us to slow down and savor the journey. Life becomes easier and more fulfilling when we live in the now. Lesson 4. Guard your mindset. Your mindset shapes your reality. What you think and believe affects how you experience life. Stoicism teaches us to guard our minds. A strong and healthy mindset makes life simpler and more peaceful. Negative thoughts can cloud your mind. They create fear, doubt, and stress. A Stoic learns to recognize these thoughts. Instead of feeding them, they let them go. Dwelling on negativity only amplifies it. By guarding your mindset, you protect your inner peace. Gratitude is a powerful tool. It shifts your focus to what you have rather than what you lack. Each day, take a moment to appreciate life's blessings. Gratitude fills your heart with joy and contentment. It strengthens your mindset and helps you face challenges with optimism. Another way to guard your mindset is by choosing your influences wisely. Surround yourself with positive and uplifting people. Avoid toxic environments and harmful media. Your surroundings impact your thoughts. A Stoic creates a supportive space for the mind to thrive. Self-awareness is also crucial. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. Notice patterns that drain your energy. Replace them with empowering beliefs. Remind yourself of your strengths and values. This practice builds a resilient mindset. Guarding your mindset does not mean avoiding reality. It means facing it with wisdom and clarity. Life will bring challenges, but a strong mindset helps you navigate them with grace. You stay focused on what you can control. You remain calm in the face of chaos. This clarity makes life easier and more manageable. Lesson 5. Accept criticism gracefully. Criticism is a part of life. It can feel uncomfortable, but it holds valuable lessons. Stoicism teaches us to accept criticism with grace. This practice makes life smoother and relationships stronger. When someone criticizes you, pause and listen. Do not react defensively. Instead, consider their words carefully. There may be truth in their feedback. Use it as an opportunity to grow. If the criticism is unfair, let it go. Do not let it disturb your peace. A Stoic values humility. They understand that they are not perfect. Mistakes are a part of being human. Criticism helps us see what we cannot see on our own. It guides us toward self-improvement. By accepting it with an open mind, we become better. Criticism also teaches resilience. It strengthens your ability to handle discomfort. When you accept it without taking it personally, you feel more confident. You realize that your worth is not defined by others' opinions. You remain rooted in your values. Practice gratitude for constructive criticism. Thank those who offer it with kindness. It takes courage to give honest feedback. Appreciate their effort to help you grow. Even harsh criticism has something to teach. It reveals areas where you can improve your patience and understanding. Do not let fear of criticism hold you back. A Stoic focuses on their actions and intentions. If you act with integrity, criticism becomes less daunting. You learn to see it as a tool for growth rather than a threat. This mindset makes life easier and more harmonious. Lesson 6. Prioritize virtue. Virtue is the foundation of Stoicism. It is the key to a good life. Virtue means living with honesty, courage, and kindness. It means aligning your actions with your values. When you prioritize virtue, life becomes simpler and more meaningful. Virtue guides your decisions. It helps you choose what is right over what is easy. A Stoic does not compromise their principles for temporary gains. They act with integrity in all situations. This consistency brings peace and self-respect. Living virtuously also inspires others. Your actions create a ripple effect. By being honest and kind, you uplift those around you. You contribute to a better world. This sense of purpose adds depth to your life. Virtue also protects you from regret. When you act with integrity, you have nothing to hide. You feel proud of your choices. Even if outcomes are uncertain, you know you did your best. This inner peace is priceless. Prioritizing virtue means practicing self-discipline. It requires effort and awareness. But over time, it becomes a natural part of who you are. You feel aligned with your true self. You experience a deeper connection to life. Virtue is not about perfection. It is about progress. Each day is an opportunity to grow. Focus on small, consistent actions. Over time, these build a virtuous life. Stoicism reminds us that virtue is the greatest wealth. It is the path to true happiness and fulfillment. These lessons of Stoicism offer timeless wisdom. They show us how to make life easier and more meaningful. By applying them, we find strength, peace, and joy within ourselves. Life becomes a journey of growth and purpose. Embrace these teachings and let them guide you to a better life.